How to install apps without Apple ID password. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of screen time. Here you're gonna find different options. Make sure you have enabled screen time. Then you can head towards the option of content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle on for this option, content and privacy restrictions. Head over to the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you'll find this section of required password. Check in for the option of don't require. Likewise for these options, installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases, set it to allow. After you customize these settings, you can head back. Once you're on the main settings page, head over to the option of Face ID and passcode, open it. Type in your passcode, you'll be directed to this page. Once you're on this page, you have to toggle off for the option of iTunes and App Store. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now I can close this, launch your App Store. Now I can go ahead and search for any of the app and download it. Now you won't require any password. So this is how you can easily install apps without Apple ID password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.